Good morning children. So up to now we completed lesson number 9 explanation. No? Today we are going to be write classwork part of lesson number 9. So everyone open your EVS books and write lesson number 9 clean surroundings heading in the classwork. Okay, after that we'll start writing spell words. Spell words no children, 1 to 20 spell words are there. After that we'll continue question answers also, and question answers 1 and 2 question answers I'll write it on the board. 3, 4, 5 question answers in class 4 group. You will be getting the pick in the group itself children, because the 3, 4, 5 question answers the answers are very lengthy. So because of that I am writing on the paper and I'm sending you through the WhatsApp. Okay. So everyone, after writing 1 and 2 question answers, for 3, 4, 5 question answers you have to check in your 4th class group WhatsApp. Okay. So everyone, now continue, learn, take out your classwork book and write lesson number 9 heading. Okay, lesson number 9 heading, and then start writing spell words. And you remember children, spell words, all spell words write one time neatly in your classwork book, and each spell word learn and write 2 times in your homework book. Separately you will be not get any homework schedule children. And even question answers also write 1 time neatly in the classwork and write 2 times in the homework book. Okay, so start right now. Roman number 1, spell words. Write heading spell words. Okay, first one, environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment. Second one, necessary. NECESSARY, necessary. Third one, material. MATERIAL, material. Fourth one, unhygienic. UNHYGIENIC, unhygienic. Fifth one, typhoid. TYPOID, typhoid. Sixth one, cholera. CHOLERA, cholera. Seventh one, diarrhea. DIARRHOEA, diarrhea. Next, eighth one, categorized. CATEGORIZED, categorized. Ninth one, biodegradable. BIO, bio, DEGRADABLE, biodegradable. Next, 10th one, composting. COMPOSTING, composting. Next, 11th one, aluminium. ALUMINIUM, aluminium. Next, 12th one, polythene. POLYTHENE, polythene. 13th one, segregated. SEGREGATED, segregated. Next, 14th one, municipal. MUNICIPAL, municipal. 15th one, corporation. CORPORATION, corporation. Next, 16th one, Landfills. L-A-N-D. Land. F-I-L-L-S. Landfills. 17th one. Incineration. I-N-C-I-N-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Incineration. Once again repeating 17th word. I-N-C-I-N-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Incineration. Next, 18th one, treatment. T-R-E-A-T-E-M-E-N-T. Treatment. T-R-E-A-T-E-M-E-N-T. Treatment. 19th one, combustions. C-U-M-B-U-S-T-I-O-N-S. Combustions. C-U-M-B-U-S-T-I-O-N-S. Combustions. Last 20th one, recovering. R-E-C-O-V-E-R-I-N-G. Recovering. R-E-C-O-V-E-R-I-N-G. Recovering. Okay, write these 20 spell words one time neatly in your classwork, and each word write 2 times in your homework book. Next, you can continue 1 and 2 question answers children. Next, continue Roman number 2, question and answers. Write the heading. Roman number 2. Question and answers. Okay, right now question number 1. So as I said to children, 1 and 2 question answers now we will write in the video clipping, but 3, 4, 5. From the question number 3, 4, 5, you have to copy that answers from your WhatsApp group. Okay, class for WhatsApp group is in the question number 3, 4, 5 answers. I am going to send that. Question number 1. What are the 2 different types of waste? What are the 2 different types of waste? Question mark. Now write answer. Waste comes in many different forms. Waste comes in many different forms and can be categorized into 2 types. The first one, biodegradable waste. And the second one, non-biodegradable waste. Okay, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Next, question number 2. Right now, question number 2. Question number 2. What diseases spread if waste is not disposed properly? Disposed properly. Now answer. Some of the common diseases that spread due to unhygienic surroundings are typhoid, cholera and diarrhea. Okay, these 3 diseases, typhoid, cholera and diarrhea, these 3 diseases are having the chances to spread because of unhygienic disposal. Okay, so this, after writing these 2 question answers, 3, 4, 5 question answers you will be get it in the group children. So like this we completed 9th lesson and complete objectives in the textbook itself.